Hey guys, it's time for a channel update, let you know what's going on. It's going to be a little serious here, so I'll go through a lot of stuff has been going on the last couple months, so let's get started with the first thing. So the biggest thing is to let you know what's going on with the channel right now. You probably noticed the last couple weeks we haven't really seen as much of the content rotation that I usually do. And that's because there's a health issue that's going on right now in the household, and it's not me, but it's my wife, and we're actually out here at a support group, and you can go on Twitter, go to my account, and I kind of said what it was, so I'm not going to repeat it here. But anyway, this is a process that's going to take probably a couple months to do, and all my time is needed at home, so I have to take care of the missus and the baby, and understatement to say if it hasn't been a challenging few weeks. Which is funny because a lot of the normal stuff that would roll off my back in life in general has been really aggravating my nerves a lot. So but things are getting better. Every day is getting better. Recovery is going well. And again, so, you know, that's the way that is. So for at least for the next little while, I'm going to stick to the content that I can do at home, and which are the GPS tutorials. So apologies to everybody who were expecting outdoor stuff. I won't be able to get anything done, I'm going to say closer to June. I'm hoping to get some of the camp cooking revived again. There's 4 feet of snow in my backyard, and my pit that I use to do the videos is under snow, and I don't have a table. I need an aluminum table to put the Dutch oven on so I can at least do that, but I need snow to melt. We got another foot of snow yesterday, so this is going to take a while. And I mentioned before that hiking videos, they don't look good this time of year because everything looks dead. So in a way, maybe it's a good thing. Things are going to take a little break, get me a chance to focus on a few other things. So that's what's going on with me on the channel right now. Let's talk about maybe the content that's happening right now. All right, so all the content that I said back in January that I was going to do, the additional outdoor stuff, that's all going to have to wait until the situation is done, which is kind of convenient in a way because I did say I was going to double up on the GPS tutorials, which are improving. The views are up by quite a bit now. We are in the cyclical part of the year for me where things kind of ramp up a lot. But we're just going to let it ride, see how things go. The plan was to get some of the new Garmin devices, the Fenix 3 and the Vivo Active, but I think the people who would be watching that, I think people are going to be getting the Apple Watch, so I think I might get my hands on that. I'll mention that in a future hangout or podcast. Speaking of that, Friday night hangout. Now, I know a few of you have been watching the hangouts. It's totally different from what we're doing before. It's just a local crew. We drink some beer, we talk about news, and have a little bit of fun. I do the podcast version of that. So what I did was just took the audio and just put it on there, and that was increasing. I think we were doubling audience or doubling downloads every 3 months or so. But I think it's time to tighten that up a bit, make it more like a traditional podcast. So what I've done this last episode, was to do an edited best of version of the Friday Night Hangout. Clocked in at like 23 minutes, I think. You can download it from iTunes, Stitcher, Downcast, Overcast, all the stuff you use for podcasting. It's all there. And I listened to it. Sounds great. So I think we're going to use the Friday Night Hangouts as the raw feed. And the podcast will be kind of the best of. So I think it's pretty interesting. Please take a look or take a listen to the podcast and let me know what you think. There's a survey link in the last episode, so let me know what you think about that. Anyway, that's about it. That's all I have right now. So in short, things that I can do home is going to be the norm for the next little while in terms of the recovery stage with the missus. But as soon as I'm able to get out there and resume the normal content rotation, I will do that. Send me a note, comment, let me know how I'm doing. Check out the podcast, be greatly appreciated. And of course, go to the website. I changed theme again. Every year I change the look of the website. So go to avoidingchores.com, take a look at it, and let me know how it looks and all that jazz. So talk to you guys later.